Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the January 2026 Patch Tuesday security update that rolled out for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, which is now becoming an infamous update, KB5074109, has been causing a lot of headaches for a lot of users, as I have been posting. And I even posted a video yesterday, which I'll leave linked down below and in the end screen, that Microsoft had rolled out emergency updates to fix Patch Tuesday bugs, and that was across Windows 10 and Windows 11 across the board. I'll leave the video linked as mentioned, and rolled out 3 separate updates for the different operating systems. So this update has been causing a lot of headaches, as I have been posting. Now, just to let you know that it seems that the headaches, so to speak, are not over, because according to numerous reports doing the rounds online, Microsoft is now investigating reports of some Windows 11 devices failing to boot after installing the latest security updates. And there are numerous sites posting on this. And if we quickly head over to a screen grab provided by Windows Latest, this is from a Microsoft support site. Here we can see reports of boot failures with the January 2026 security update and later updates. It's affecting Windows 11, 25 and 24H2. Here's the KB. As mentioned, now Microsoft says that Microsoft has received a limited number of reports of an issue in which devices are failing to boot with stop code, which is a blue screen or black screen of death as it's now known, with a stop code unmountable boot volume after installing the said updates, released on January the 13th or 14th depending on your region, and later updates. Affected devices show a black screen with a message, your device ran into a problem and needs a restart. You can restart. At this stage, the device cannot complete startup and requires manual recovery steps. So this is quite a hectic issue. And Microsoft says that reports received so far indicate that this issue is limited to physical devices only. No customers have reported observing these symptoms on virtual machines. And Microsoft says that next steps, we are investigating this issue and will confirm if this is a regression caused by a Windows update. When we have further details, we will update this documentation when more information is concerned. So it's a limited number of reports, but nonetheless, I'm just putting it out there to keep everybody on the same page, like we like to do on the channel. And this boot failure bug adds now to a growing list of Windows 11 issues that have been caused by the January 2026 updates. So unfortunately, another issue to add to the list. And at this stage, Microsoft hasn't shared a timeline or a fix yet. But obviously, if I get more information or Microsoft does roll out a fix or a workaround, obviously I will let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.